So this is a very pretty stitch. It's called diagonal couching, and it's very attractive. Now this is the Simply Soft yarn, and you know that it's on the thinner side of the worsted, and I'm using a number 9 US needle, which is the same as 5.5 millimeters. So it's a little bit larger needle than what the yarn calls for. And so this is a multiple of 2 stitches. I have 24 here. So make believe that I just cast it on my stitches any way you wish. And let's start this. So row number 1, you knit 1. And then you go in between the next 2 stitches, like right in there. See, I'm holding to the whole stitch. So knit in between the 2 stitches, pull up a loop, and then knit these 2. So let's do that again. Go in between the 2 stitches, pull up a loop, and knit 2. So go in between your 2 stitches, pull up a loop, and knit 2. In between your 2 stitches, pull up a loop, and knit 2. And I'll see you at the end of this row. In between your 2 stitches, pull up a loop and knit 2. So I'm at the end of row number 1, and you go in between your 2 stitches, pull up a loop, knit 2, and the last one you knit. Okay, row number 2, you're going to purl 3 at the beginning. 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to knit, purl 2 together. So that is the loop that you made on the row before. You're going to knit, purl that one with the next. So purl those 2 stitches together and purl 1. Purl those 2 stitches together and purl 1. Purl those 2 stitches together and purl 1. Purl those 2 stitches together and purl 1, and I'll see you when I finish this row. I'll see you at the end. So I'm at the end of row number 2, and we're going to purl 2 stitches together, purl 1, and purl 2 stitches together at the end. Now row number 3, you're going to knit 2 stitches, and then we're going to do the same. See, we're alternating them. So you go in between your 2 stitches, pull up a loop, and knit 2. Go in between your 2 stitches, pull up a loop, and knit 2. So you go in between your 2 stitches, pull up a loop, and knit 2. And I'll see you at the end of this row. So I'm at the end of row number 3, and I have 2 left. I go in between the 2 stitches, pull up a loop, and knit those 2. So row number 4, you're going to purl 2, and then see that is the pulling of a loop, so you're going to purl those 2 stitches together. Purl 1, purl 2 stitches together, and purl 1, purl those 2 stitches together, and purl 1, and you do that. You're going to end with a purl 1. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you, thank you. Share us with your friends, and please subscribe. Isn't this pretty? So this is going to be nice, like for a table runner or a pillow. A pillow would look very nice with this, or placemats. When you do that, try to put stitches in, like on the edges, because like that it doesn't curl. So I will see you next time. Thank you.